What's up, Peters R guys? It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblakes,
Granny!
Chiwi!
and we are the Marvelous Slumber Squad. So this is our very first time making a reaction in different parts of thy world. Shout out to USA people right there. Shout out to Taft people right there, and shout out to Rizal peeps right there. We have another trailer incoming from Marvel Entertainment. Last time, no, medyo disappointing, no, yung naging reaction natin. So, ang nangyari last time, no, with Thor, it was quite frustrating given na it was Marvel Entertainment's last entry before 2025 ended. It was not something we were expecting. No, parang why was it Thor and all that. But yeah, any thoughts about what we are gonna expect in today's trailer, guys?
We're gonna continue the usual na parang do not get my hopes up too much kasi
Ah.
hindi ko nakita gaano kataba yung trailer pero ayoko na lang din mag-hope na mahaba siya since the last two were snippets lang talaga.
Ako feel ko it's gonna be the same pacing, same concept as the first two. It's gonna be a quick scene, no, ng certain character, if not characters. I'm sure hindi siya characters, isa lang to for sure. So, same, I'm really not expecting so much. Talagang naka-teaser trailer mindset ako going into this. Although, medyo may alam na ako kasi kita naman sa thumbnail. So,
Yeah, exactly.
ako, we'll see.
Same thoughts. Given na yun na yung first experience natin, no, with regards to Doomsday and its trailer, medyo nandun na ako sa expecting very low. But ewan ko, na-foresee ko na parang, magiging mena naman to sa akin. Nevertheless, no, I'm still excited for Doomsday and can't wait to see what they are gonna show us in this trailer. Alright, so with that being said, no, mabilis lang yung intro natin, no. Without further ado, let's dive in 3, 2, 1, guys. Let's dive in.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, obviously the thumbnail with
Death comes for us all.
Death Comes for Us All. We've got the Savior School, guys.
It's a one-off show.
Yes, sir, for the gifted youngsters.
Are you prepared to die? The question is, who will you be when you close your eyes?
Okay, goosebumps. Not gonna lie. Oh my god! Magneto.
Magneto, let's go!
Oh my god.
Okay,
Oh my God, bro.
okay. Oh my gosh!
Oh my god. Okay. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Shit! The fuck? Ian McKellen, oh my god, we got Cyclops in his suit, man. Holy shit, that made me teary-eyed. Oh my god, let's go.
Oh!
Hello.
Hello! Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. Holy crap, bro. Wow. Oh my god, guys. I cried. Holy crap. I was not expecting it. Oh my god. Shit. Okay, best. So far, good trailer. Good trailer for me. Sobrang, oh my god, teary-eyed ako. Holy shit. Wow. So yeah, starting off with Chiwi. Let's start off with Chiwi.
Actually, nagulat ako kay Sir Ian ba yun? Yung name niya nung actor.
McKellen. Yes.
Yeah, hindi ko in-expect na makakabalik pa siya. Kasi
Same.
last year nababalitaan ko parang health-wise, alam ko na aksidente siya. So, hindi ko alam if makakabalik pa siya. Hindi ako nag-expect na babalik siya. And then to see him there, to see them, silang dalawa, and then they're together. Tapos parang, oh my God, andyan na sila. Babalik na sila ulit.
Nung lumipad yung chess piece, oh wow, like, oh my god, are we gonna see Ian, McKellen, Magneto? And then, holy shit, seeing Professor X's suit, yung costume, the wheelchair, super accurate. Then they showed us Magneto and with his gray long hair. Oh my god, bro. Sobrang natiri-eyed na ako after that. And not only that, we got ourselves a look of Cyclops Wala. It's, oh my god, this is the best so far. Ito yung teaser trailer na, okay, shit. At least, you know, it's different from Captain America and Thor for me since we are, at least for Thor, we are expecting Thor in Doomsday. This one, though, ito yung hindi talaga natin i-expectin kung sino magpapakita sa X-Men, right? And there we have it. We got Ian McKellen, we got Professor X, Mr. Patrick Stewart, and Cyclops. Very exciting. A comeback for Cyclops? Okay.
Grabe, gandang-ganda ako sa trailer na to,
Same.
man. Pero, nung intro niya, kasi feel ko, ang wrong move na pinakita nila sa thumbnail si Professor X.
Yeah.
Hindi ko yun gets, honestly. Ayun, parang syempre in-expect ko na, okay, this is gonna be about X-Men. Pero despite that, ang ganda ng pasok ni Magneto, tapos yung habol kay Cyclops. Doon ako na-surprise. Pero personally, nung first half, okay, si Professor X, okay, alam naman natin, diba? Parang ganun, same feeling siya sa first trailers. Pero ang ganda ng build-up kay Magneto, tapos kay Cyclops. I don't know, it's something, ang different niya sa first two trailers. Medyo predictable kasi yung first two trailers, I think. For me,
At least for Thor.
Masyado nang given yung first two trailers. Ito, pinakita na rin nila sa thumbnail. So, given na nandyan si Patrick Stewart, muntik na ako mabad trip kapag it's just gonna be one scene ni Patrick Stewart.
Yeah.
Nagsasalita na siya. Muntik na ako mabad trip, tapos lumipad yung chess piece. Tapos grabe yung costume niya, may X-Men. Tapos grabe, Cyclops pare. Holy shit. Cyclops talaga ako na gano'n.
With the suit.
Tapos ang ingay ko dito. Shit, natakot ako.
Ako din, ako din.
Pagalitan ako eh. I'm very happy with this trailer.
Yes, exactly. Me too. I really cried the moment na umangat yung chess piece because I remember that was one of Ian McKellen's Magneto last scene. No, nung nawalan siya ng sa Last Stand, X-Men Last Stand if I remember correctly, na hindi niya maangat yung chess piece, no. So, it's a great callback no dun sa scene na yun. Kaya wow, nostalgic sa akin yung feeling and them. I'm just really excited to see it. And then both of them holding hands. Holy shit! The friendship, the best friendship of these guys. Like, holy crap, let's go. The love. I can feel the love between those two.
Honestly, for me, itong trailer na to, repeatable to for me.
Yes. Ako
Like,
din. Same.
after this, for sure, medyo uulit-ulitin ko siya. Unlike the first two trailers, hindi ko alam ano ba yun? Umay na ba tayo sa... Ewan ko, ako ba? Umay na ba ako sa kanila? At least ito, may something new eh. Something new siya for me.
Yeah, I'll be honest. Nandun ako talaga sa side na tapos na ako dun sa OGs eh. Nandun na ako sa move forward na tayo sa bago. I want to see more of the new characters. Kasi nag-end up naman na in love din ako sa characters. That's the problem kasi. Hindi na in love yung mga tao dun sa new characters. Kaya nag-hold sila dun na makita yung mga old. In my case, hindi. Gusto ko na makita yung... Mas may iiyak ako bro makita sila Ironheart sa trailer ng Doomsday eh. Yung mga ganun. Okay na.
Shang-Chi. Makikita mo si Shang-Chi.
Bro, dun ako iiyak. Like, in this case, naiyak ako bro kasi... I mean, okay, sige. OG sila Patrick Stewart. Pero in terms of MCU characters tapos na ako dun sa OG na yun. Pero kung comeback and newcomers, yun, I'm pretty sure magiging emotional ako.
I hope na pagdating nila sa Doomsday, hindi sila yung saglitan lang. Like, maganda talaga yung gagawin sa characters nila. Kasi, inaabangan yan eh, yung X-Men.
Yeah.
Like, nung nagbalik tayo na nanonood tayo ng mga X-Men, super na-attach din ako dun sa characters na yun. I feel like even people na hindi nakasubaybay sa, like, yung MCU talaga, makaka-relate din sila na, X-Men childhood ko yan. So, I think maraming maglo-look forward talaga sa pagbalik nila. And kasi yung mga original cast din, hindi sila nag-recast. So, ayun, it's exciting to see them back sa screen.
The first good Doomsday trailer, I would say.
The first good Doomsday trailer. I agree. Hindi din nila tinuloy pala yung OG MCU characters, di ba? So, ang weird lang ng strategy nila dun. But bigla sila nag-skip sa X-Men. Where's Hawkeye? Where's,
speaking of
Hulk?
Yeah, speaking of, ano tingin ninyo next?
Fantastic?
Different universe kaya?
Fantastic Four?
Pwede Fantastic Four.
Yeah, pwede nga. Ay,
Kasi ibang universe sila eh.
It's weird.
Avengers.
Weird yung order nila dito, honestly.
I mean, sa
Unpredictable
pattern
na.
nila ngayon, I don't think magpapakita sila ng new characters. Baka puro past to.
Yeah.
Infinity Saga.
Maybe.
Feel ko, yung surprise nila sa Doomsday, yung mga bagong characters eh. Kasi given na yung mga OG, yung mga Infinity Saga characters eh, parang sobrang gini-giveaway nila yun.
Napupunta sila. We did mention last time no sa Thor trailer na Doomsday would be a movie to introduce all those new characters that the people didn't get the chance to fall in love with sa mga series. And by Secret Wars, again, dapat in love na sila doon. Yun na yung talagang pang newcomers. What would be a bummer dito sa movie na to, sana hindi nila gawing bitin lang, like one scene and then gone. Wag nila gagawin yun kasi
Ayo.
it wouldn't
Wag na,
work for
wag na.
me. Like kung paano nila ginawa si Taskmaster, yung ganun, wala man lang comeback na maayos. Kinil off lang nila ng ganun-ganun kadali si Taskmaster sa Thunderbolts. Please, wag nyo gawin yun kasi it would really suck for the movie. Kung masyado nilang glinaze yung bagong characters, tapos gawin nilang side characters lang itong mga nostalgic characters, parang meh. I think that's gonna be a bad move for Marvel. For me,
Maybe, I agree.
give a good send-off dito sa nostalgic characters. Gawin nyo silang super bida sa Doomsday. Side characters yung mga bago. Tapos sila yung may iwan na buhay by Doomsday. Para sa Secret Wars, aabangan pa rin sila sa Secret Wars yung mga bagong characters kung paano nila isa-save yung world.
Sobrang pressure sa MCU tong movie na to kasi if hindi to maging successful, walang manonood ng Secret Wars, man.
So, same.
So
Kaya,
if hindi naging appealing yung characters dito,
ah,
wala, kawawa
Walang
sa
may pake.
Secret Wars.
yeah.
Iniisip ko baka next, if i-connect na nila sa X-Men, yung girls sa The Marvels, or masyado ba silang new character para maging next?
New
Kasi diba,
character.
Ay,
sila yung last connection.
oh,
Oo,
connected
ah.
yun for sure.
Sa X-Men nga pala.
Si ano,
oo, si Beast. Yung nanay ni Rambo.
Yung costume niya pang UP Pep Jag eh.
UP.
Pang
Oh my God,
cheerleading.
cheerleading eh.
Mas meron na akong nilook forward ngayon.
Yeah.
May mas pinakita talaga sila dito eh.
Yeah.
Like, sorry dun sa baby ni Captain America, pero parang pag yan talagang baby na yan, walang ambag sa whole story, ewan ko na lang talaga. Sobrang mababad trip talaga ako. Feel ko concept lang yun na father siya, pero I don't think may context pa beyond that.
Alam mo ba siya maging important?
Kasi
Yun
kay
yung sinabi
Tony
ni
Stark.
yun ni Tony Stark eh. He wanted to build his own family. Na yun yung binanggit niya kay Captain America. Why don't you do that as well to yourself? I don't want you to settle with that information na yung baby ba is super halaga. Kasi baka mag-end up umasa ka dun eh. Sa magiging experience mo sa panonood ng Doomsday and masira lang siya kung wala kang nakitang something about that baby anymore.
It is just the concept na he's a father. Ganun.
Yeah. I feel like that's only the point of that scene, that baby. That's about it with our reaction. One of the best Doomsday trailers and can't wait to see more of what they'll be releasing soon. I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. If you did, please do show us some love by subscribing, smashing that like button, hitting the notification bell to not miss any future contents from yours truly. Comment down below. Who do you think will Marvel Entertainment release next as part of their Doomsday trailer? Doing all this would definitely help us out on our YouTube partner program journey. As you can see, 90% of our audience aren't subscribed yet. 600 out of 3,000 watch hours, still a long way to go. So it'd be a huge favor if y'all could help us out for us to be able to continue our passion on creating quality entertainment content for y'all. We'll be covering all the latest updates, character reveals, gameplay breakdowns, and movie and trailer reviews, mainly Marvel stuff. So stick around for more. Also, do follow me on my Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Letterboxd accounts at YKSD Goblicus. It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblicus.
Granny!
Kiwi!
And we are the Marvel Slumber Squatters. Stay epic, stay legendary, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
See you guys in the next video.
Peace out, mawa!